Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is ceiling fan. So let's get started. A ceiling fan is a common thing in every home. It is very useful in summer. It is basically made of iron. It has an electric motor which moves round and round when electrically charged. Reused blades are fixed on it. These blades circulate air and keep us cool and comfortable in scorchy heat. A regulator is used to increase or decrease the speed of the fan. The ceiling fan is fixed in the ceiling by a hook. It is easily available in the market in various sizes. As it is reasonable priced, it is within the reach of the common people. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.